بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will carry on with our English language lessons. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hadithi. So have your books ready at page 40 and page 41 as we will start lesson number 3. The name of our unit is called Time. This is lesson number 3. Again, you will find it at page 40 and 41. Have your books and some pencils, worksheets in order in case you need to take some notes and share your answers with me. So let's start. Bismillah. Let's start by revising what we've learned in the previous lesson, my dear student. In the previous lesson, we practiced more time. How to ask about the time, what time is it, okay? And also we practiced singular and plural, especially irregular nouns like man, and we will have several exercises. Also introduce the word early and late, and I always remind you to always be on time, okay? Be there on time, okay? Whenever you see this sign, it means that we are still at unit number 3. The name is time. The name is time. So let's start by revising the previous lesson, my dear student. In the previous lesson, we have nouns, singular and plural. Try to help me or give me the answer for this picture. I have what? To your left, I have. What do you think? What is this? I have a car. Very good. I have a car. Excellent, excellent. Singular. Regular noun, form regularly by adding what? I have car. I have cars. Excellent. We just add s to the singular, okay, or to the noun. So let's read one more time. Car, car, cars, cars, okay? Now I have s for plural. Let's go to the next one. How about this one? To your left, I have a picture of a man. Very good. Singular, man. Okay, but to your right, do you think we already discussed this? It is in your page 39, in your books at page 39. They are irregular nouns, so we don't add s. They are formed differently. Men. Very good. Now look at the difference. In the middle I have a, there I have an e. So let's read. Man, man, men, men. Very good, my dear student. Next, to your left, I have a woman. A woman with an A, okay? Singular. But for plural, women. Very good. I have women now. Look at the difference. I have an A. There I have an E. Women, women. Very good, my dear student. And for the next one, to your left, I have a singular. I have a tooth. Very good. I have a tooth. Excellent. I have a tooth. That's for singular. But for plural, how do we form the plural? By saying teeth. Teeth. Now look at the difference. I have double O in the middle, and there I have double E. Okay? So a tooth, teeth. Very good, my dear student. Now let's go back to this question. What time is it, or what is the time, please? Now, I need your full attention because today we will go specific with the time, okay? We already discussed 7 o'clock, 7:30, but today we will go specific with the time, okay? So have your books, and it will help a lot to get a big clock in front of you, or perhaps use your wristwatch to help you to get this lesson. What time is it? Now, let's try to refresh our memories, okay? In order to start the new lesson, it will be easier. Help me to write the correct time. I already gave you the first one as an example. For the first time, it is 2 o'clock, right? Exactly 2 o'clock, right? For the next one, it is 5 o'clock. Very good. Now look at the time. Look at the hands of the time. Very important. 5 o'clock. Excellent. For the next one, what time is it? What time is it? It is 9 o'clock. Very good. Exactly 9 o'clock, right? Let's go to the lower parts. What time is it? What do you think? This is very important. In order to get to our new lesson, we need to first make sure that you get this one correctly. It is 11 o'clock. It is 11 o'clock. Very good. Right next to it, in the middle. What time is it? What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. Very good, my dear student. It is 3 o'clock. Very good. And the last one, what time is it? What time is it? It is 6 o'clock. It is 6 o'clock. Very good. Let's read our times one more time. 2 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Very good, my dear student. Now, how about this one? Write the time. The first one, what time is it? Is it exactly 5 o'clock? Or is it exactly 6 o'clock? Actually, it is 5:30 or 5:30. Very good, very good. How about the one in the middle? What time is it? What time is it? It is 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Very good, my dear student. And for the third one, what time is it? What do you think? Is it 7 o'clock? No, actually, it's not 7 yet. It is 6:30 or 6:30. Very good. Let's read our times one more time. 5:30, 4 o'clock, 6:30. Very good, my dear student. Now, let's draw the hands of the clock. I want to make sure that you get the previous lesson correctly in order to start this one. 8:30, so I will draw the hands of the minutes first and the hands of the hour. 8:30. Let's do the same with the one in the middle. 3:30. 3:30. Okay? Remember, the long hand is for the minute, the short one is for the hour. 7:30. 7:30. Very good, my dear student. Now, look at this time. What time is it? Now, this is a new one. It's not 7 o'clock. It's not 7:30. Okay, as you can see, let's read. 1:15. Well, let's go back to this one. So, what time is it? We might say it is 7:15. How do we know this? Because I need to add 5 minutes. Okay, and up till number 3, it is 7:15. Or we might say 7:15, as in this one. Okay, I have 4 times here for you. Let's read the answer. It's 1:15. It's 2:15. It's 3:15, 4:15, 5:15. What's a quarter? What do we mean by the word quarter? Now, as you can see the blue one here, this is what we mean by quarter. Imagine that you have a circle, okay? This is the quarter of the circle, okay? This is exactly what we have in our watch, the blue one. So again, if I ask you, what time is it, my dear student? You might answer by saying, it's 1:15, or it is 1:15. Again, what do we mean by the word quarter? This is what we have in our circle, okay? It's the blue one here we have. So if I ask you, what time is it? For this one, 5 minutes, add 5 minutes, and then 5 minutes, so I have 15. So it is 1:15, or we might say it is 1:15, okay? How about this one? Choose. Let's check. So as you can see here, I have the short one, 10 o'clock, and then I have the long one at the number 3, okay? It's 11:15, 10:15, or 10:15. What do you think? What time is it? Remember that what we mean by quarter? Actually, this is the answer, 10:15. Or we might say it is 10:15. Same answer, very good. Now, how about this one? It's still quarter now, but look at the quarter, or where is it placed? For the previous one, we say it's 1:15, right? But for this one, it's not the same. As you can see here, it's 1:45. So what's our answer? It is 1:45, or we might say it is 1:45. Okay, so this is very important. I need you to I need to make sure that you get the difference between this one and the previous one. For this one, I have 15 minutes, or quarter to 2. Okay, or we might say it is 1:45. 1:45 or 1:45. Okay, so let's go to the previous one and check our understanding. This one. So let's read this one over and over, and then let's go to the next one, and we will have plenty of exercises. For this one, it is 1:15. Okay, the blue one is a quarter, and it is past 1, so it's 1:15, or we might say it's 1:15. Okay, so I have 1:15 or 1:15. For this one, it's 1:45, or it's 1:45. Okay, so let's have several exercises. I hope this one gets you to realize the difference. So I have quarter. Let's read. 1:15, that's 15 minutes. Okay, 1/2 that is 30 minutes. 1:45, that is 45 minutes. Okay, let's read. So I have 1:15, 1/2 30, 1:45, 45. Okay, let's go to the next one. Now let's read. Again, same one. 1:15, 1/2, 1:45. I need to make sure that you get the meaning of quarter, or the difference between 1:15 and 1:45. Okay? Now, I hope this one will help you out. I will read this one at a time. Make sure that you repeat with me. So what time is it for the first time? For the first time, what time is it? It is 1 o'clock. Exactly 1 o'clock. Okay? I will add 15 minutes now. What time is it? It is 1:15 or 1:15, right? I will add 15 minutes. It is 1:30 or 1:30, right? I will add 15 minutes now. It is 1:45. Let's read one more time, my dear students. It is 1 o'clock. It is 1:15. So I kept adding 15 minutes, right? It's 1:30. It's 1:45. Okay? Very good. Now let's check with this one. Remember at the beginning of this class, I told you that I will go specific with time. Now look at this clock. You have a similar one at page 41. Okay? But take a look at the screen and let's read. As you can see, I have the numbers from number 1 till number 12. And each number represents minutes. Okay? For number 1, let's start. It's 5. Let's start from this one. Okay? Starting from number 12. starting from number 12, and we will go like this. So let's say it is 3 o'clock. Okay, so what time is it? It is 3 o'clock. Now, what I will do, I will not just only add 15, I will add 5 minutes. Okay, so I will go around until we get to 4 o'clock. Got it? So again, I will start with 3 o'clock, exactly 3 o'clock, and then I will add 5 minutes. Okay, so bear with me, let's start. It is 3 o'clock. It is 5 minutes past 3. It is 10 minutes past 3. It's a quarter past 3. It's 20 minutes past 3. It's 25 minutes past 3. It's half past 3. It's 25 to, so now what? Shall I say 25 to 3? No, I will say it's 25 to 4. Very good. It's 20 minutes to 4. It's a quarter to 4. It is 10 minutes to 4. It's 5 minutes to 4. It is 4 o'clock. Very good, my dear student. Okay, so now you know what to do and how many minutes you need to add. Now, say the time. Here I have 6 different times. Try to say the time out loud. Okay, I will give you 20 seconds for this one. Try to say the time and then I'll be reading the time for you. Okay, so let's start, for example, with number 1. If I ask you what time is it, my dear student, this is an easy one. It is 10 o'clock, right? It is 10 o'clock. Now let's go to number 2. What time is it, my dear student? What time is it? You might give me 2 answers, right? By saying it is 2:45 or it is quarter to 3. Again, we might say it is 2:45 or it is quarter to 3. Very good. How about number 3? What time is it? What time is it? Again, you might give me 2 answers. You might say it is 10:15 or it is quarter past 10. Very good. How about number 4? How about number 4? It's 8:15 or quarter past 8. Excellent. Number 5. It is 2:15 or quarter past 2. Very good. And for number 6, we might say it's 12:30 or half past 12. Very good, my dear student. Very good job telling the time. Now, draw the hands of the clock. Now, we did this at the beginning of this class. Let's do it now. We gain more knowledge. It's 4:45. First, let's write the time. We might say it's 4:45 or we can say quarter to 5. 4:45 or quarter to 5. Very good. How about the next one? And then we will write the time. We might say 12:30 or half past 12. Okay? So now let's draw the hands of the time. 4:45, start with the short one and then with the long one. So let's read the time. We might say it's 4:45 or quarter to 5. Very good. Let's go to the next one. We might say 12:30 or half past 12. This is how we draw 12:30. Very good, my dear student. How about this one? draw the hands of the clock. 10:30. We might say 10:30 or 10:30. Very good. For the next one, 2:15 or 2:15. Excellent. Now let's draw the hands. 10:30. 2:15 or 2:15. Very good, my dear student. Now, let's try to write the time. Okay, I gave you the first one as an example. What time is it? We might say 3:45 or 3:45. Okay, right next to it. What time is it? We might say 4:45 or 4:45. Okay, next to it. What time is it? What do you think? We might say it is 9:15 or 9:15. Very good. Let's go below. We might say it's 1:45 or 1:45. The one in the middle, what time is it? We might say 1:15 or 1:15. Very good. The last one, what time is it? 5:15 or 5:15. Very good, my dear student. Now, have your books ready at page 40, please? Let's read together. I have some words: o'clock, half, 2:15. Now, I have two times here in the green clocks, okay? Make sure that you are seeing them or watching them while we are reading together. The first one I have 5:15 or 5:15. The one next to it, 4:45 or 4:45. Let's read. What time is it? It's 5:15. Okay, so we are referring to the first clock. Okay, what time is it? It is 4:45. So that's the difference between past two. 5:15 is the first clock. 4:25 is the second one. Okay, so 5:15, 4:25. What's the time? Is the exact same one as what time is it? Same question. Okay, have your pencils ready and let's practice writing on this time. Read and write the time. Okay, as we did this earlier in this class, let's do it now, but let's write our answers. So as you can see, what time is it? We will start from here. It is 3 o'clock, exactly 3 o'clock. Okay, so now I will add 5 minutes. I will keep adding 5 minutes. Okay, so it is 5 minutes past 3. Let's add 5 more minutes. It's 10 minutes past 3. Okay, it's 3:15 or 3:15. Let's add 5 more minutes. It's 20 minutes past 3. Very good. It's 25 minutes past 3. It is 3:30, or we might say 3:30, right? Now, let's go to the other side. It is 25 minutes to, what do you think? Shall I say 3 now? Actually, the answer is 4, as we are getting closer to number 4, right? Okay. It is 20 minutes to 4. It's 4:15. It is 10 minutes to 4. It is 5 minutes to 4. Now, it is exactly 4 o'clock, as we are going like this. Okay, so let's go to the lower parts. Put the words in the correct order. Okay, I have 4 examples, but the words are not in the correct order. Let's rearrange them. The, time, question mark, what, please, and apostrophe S. The answer is What's the time, please? What's the time, please? Very good. Number 2, make sure you are writing the correct answers, my dear student. Her hands clean, full stop, she. She cleans her hands. Very good. She cleans her hands. Very good. Number 3, past 10. It is half, full stop. It is 10:30. Very good. Don't forget the full stop. Last one, the full stop reads the book girl. The girl reads the book, full stop. Make sure you are writing the correct answers in the correct order. Number 4, write the time. Now, I have 3 different times, okay? The first one is an example. The time is 20 minutes past 3. This is how we write it as a number. 20 minutes past 3. For the one in the middle, the time is 25 minutes past 4. So what do you think? It's 20 minutes past 4. Very good. 25 minutes past 4. And for the last one, it is 8:15. 8:15 or 8:15. Very good, my dear student. Very good. Now, what time is it? Let's have this exercise. 11:30, 8:30, 4 o'clock, 12:15, 1:45, 2:15, 9:15, and 1 o'clock. Let's start. For the first one, 11:30. Let's try to look for the 11:30. It will be this one. Very good. How about 8:30? 8:30. That would be this one. 8:30. Very good. 4 o'clock. This is an easy one. 4 o'clock. That is 4 o'clock. Very good. Sorry, let's... That is 4 o'clock. 12:15. 12:15. That is this one. 1:45. 1:45. Very good. 9:15. 9:15. That would be this one. 6:45. 6:45. That would be this one. And for the last answer, this is 1 o'clock. Very good, my dear student. Now, let's try to revise what we've learned in this lesson. We practiced telling time. Actually, we practiced telling time and you did an amazing job. We introduced the word quarter and half. And what's the difference between 1/4 and 1/4? Make sure you practice telling the time to the people. Ask for the time. Tell the time. That was my lesson, my dear student. Remember, time is gold. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.